My name is Yanda, and this is my Lab 2 and Lab 3 submission. I used raw data from last week's, and also I added open data set data from Epic Game Store, which is another game store application, and merged them together to have a new raw data, almost double the size. And then I have and this is the raw data that I have is huge, and I filter the data that I do need, which including the required age 0 and all the names that do not include any weird symbols, kind of stuff. All of them are mostly develop used, so it don't have anything to do with our topics. Also, this time we want the game that have certain certain that a lot of player actually play. We do not want the game that player don't really care about. So we filter all the data that we need, and then I have to consider like because today I'm doing a dashboard. So what kind of data that I need for my tables. So because I'm in a game development studio, and the purpose I want to do in this dashboard to give a list of games we can study and to research a little. So basically, I'm trying to do a list of games that is good for study. So I decided to have three key elements to as a standard. The first, which the games have most positive uh, rating feedbacks, and the second is the what is the popular types um, around the game development studios and companies. What is the favorite type of game to develop, and the third is which game that have most player base. So in this case, I had created three different tables for those three different topics. I I can use only one table to create all those graphics, of course, by simply drag all those variable into the four blocks below. But in the process, I figured that whenever I want to change a few datas on the graphic tables, I have to reverse the setup for the data table, which is really time consuming. So and I end up by just remain three different separate tables with that created by exactly same datas. uh, just because I need all those data in my game development studio, I actually use all those data, and I'm certain that I have to go back to change all those data later because my team manager may ask me to do that. Anyways, and I end up with this three tables stuck into together with top 100 rated games, top 100 most player liked game, and top 100 popular game type of game development in 2017 to 2019, because of this is the most close to 2020 2021's the data that's actually public. Any data that from 2020 to 2021, I don't have the access into it, so this is the most relevant I can find on the internet. And thank you for your time. This is basically what I have done in dashboard.